Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will learn how to create a non-sendable data extension. To create a non-sendable data extension, we have to navigate to the email studio and click on email. Now hover our mouse to subscribers and click on data extensions. On the data extension, on the right hand side corner, we have a create button. Just click on it. So here we need to specify the method by which the data extension will be built. For now, we can just keep as default standard data extension and click on OK. Now we need to provide the name for the data extension that we are creating. So that's the name of the data extension, and then description. In the location, you can just keep as data extension default, no need to change it. In our previous video, when we are creating sendable data extension, we have selected this option. Now we are creating non-sendable data extension. That means no need to select this option. So in non-sendable data extension, we will not do any email campaigns and we will not store any contact data such as email, phone number or so. So this is in non-sendable data extension where we store and organize the data, support our marketing campaign. So the data will be like purchase history, store locations or product or anything. So do we send any email to the products that we have, or do we send any email to the purchase history that we have? No, right? So that's the reason we will not select is sendable. So now click on next. So the retention settings we can just keep as default. Click on next, and now here we need to give the field name. So the field names are store and data type is text, and the length I can give 100 and followed by the address of the store. And I have a city as well, and I have a state. The text data type province, country, state and province can be nullable, and I have postal code next followed by the telephone, and I have a store ID. Store ID is a numeric. The store ID is the primary key, which means store ID is mandatory within my data. Without store ID, I may not be able to create a record within my data extension. And I've given all my fields. Now here we don't need to create any send relationship because here we will not send any emails to our stores. That's the reason. Now let's click on create. We have just created the non-sendable data extension. Now let's click on it. I've just opened the non-sendable data extension that we have created. Here if we just observe here, used for sending no. That means this data extension is not a sendable data extension. It is a non-sendable data extension. And also if you look at here, used for testing, that means it's mentioned no. That means we will not use this data extension for testing purpose. And if you observe the records, right now we don't have any records within our non-sendable data extension. In the next video, we will import the stores data within our non-sendable data extension. Thanks for watching. Happy marketing. See you in the next video.